Guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again, and I must say a big thank you to you guys for sharing yesterday's trading results with me. I'm really happy that you guys really made some profit right from there. Okay, today is going to be another opportunity where we will be analyzing the market, and of course I know you guys are already waiting for that. In case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course do your own personal practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly guys, let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we will be analyzing the market tonight, and of course these are the assets we will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. In case and if you are not joining us live and direct, then definitely you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the trading activities. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. Okay, and of course you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. So many people have done this before. Okay, now let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm using the 3M trend milk trading indicator to do my analysis right here. You can see this had been on downtrend right from here. It kept on going down gradually and gradually until it got to this region. So it had a pullback till it got to this resistance zone, but was unable to break out above it, so it is selling again. It will sell till it get to this support zone, then thereafter go back up again. Okay, if it's unable to break out from there, so this is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out from that support zone. So it won't sell for a very long time before it will go back into a buy trend, except if it breaks out below that support zone. Okay, so that is very, very important. The next asset is going to be boom 500. Okay guys, this is boom 500. It's been on uptrend, got to this region, pull back, went back up again to see if it will be able to break out from there, but was unable to break out from there. So this will be selling now. Once it breaks out below this support zone, then definitely it's going to sell more. Okay, it's going to sell more. Once it goes below this, it's going to sell more, and we make an attempt on this particular support zone also. Once it breaks out below this, definitely it's going to be selling more. We should be looking at here as the next support zone. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The next asset is going to be crash 1000. Okay guys, this is crash 1000, just where we have seen it. It was on uptrend before, but right from here it went back on downtrend, got to this region, pull back because it was unable to break out below this support zone. So it will be trying it out again. If it breaks out below it, then definitely the next support zone should be somewhere here. Okay, so that is very, very important. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 500. It was on uptrend before, but was unable to go beyond this resistance zone. So right from there it has been crashing down. So this is going to be more of downtrend than uptrend also, so it will be selling more than buying. Okay, so that is very, very important. The next asset is going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out. Volatility 75 is still buying at the moment, and of course if it breaks out above this resistance zone, then definitely the next resistance zone is what we should be looking out for. So this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you need to do is just to make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you that are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, and of course do your own personal practice and perfect your trading skill first before you jump into the real account, into live trading. Okay, so this is very, very important. If you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.